What if the biggest mistake harming your eyesight isn't your age but what you're not eating before bed? Millions over 60 deal with blurry vision, dry eyes, trouble reading small print, poor night vision, floaters, and eye fatigue, and assume it's just aging. But nighttime is when your body does much of its deepest repair work, including inside your eyes, and certain nutrients eaten before sleep may support that overnight process. So why do some seniors keep sharp vision into their 80 seconds? Which bedtime foods do eye specialists recommend? And which bedtime snacks might secretly work against your vision? Today, 7 bedtime foods, common mistakes, 1 surprising food most people ignore, and bonus habits for healthier eyes. Stay till the end. Vision naturally shifts as we age, tear production slows, lenses stiffen, and conditions like dry eyes, cataracts, age-related macular degeneration, and diabetic eye disease become far more common. Let's be honest up front, no food can magically restore vision you've already lost. But a genuinely healthy diet can support your eye health and may help reduce the risk of further damage down the road. So why focus on nighttime specifically? With less digestion stress overnight, your body can direct more energy toward tissue repair, and certain nutrients get absorbed and utilized more effectively while you sleep. And stay tuned, because food number 7 on this list might just surprise you. Hit subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment with your age, your country, and whether you wear glasses. Now, let's get into food number 1. Food number 1 is eggs, genuinely one of the most researched foods when it comes to eye health. They're packed with lutein, zeaxanthin, vitamin A, and zinc, a combination that's hard to beat in a single, simple food. Here's why lutein and zeaxanthin matter so much. They actually accumulate directly in your retina over time, forming a natural protective pigment that helps filter out harmful blue light before it can cause damage to delicate eye tissue. Research suggests this may support better night vision, reduce eye fatigue after long days of reading or screen time, and help protect your macula, the part of your eye responsible for sharp, central vision. A simple bedtime serving is just 1 boiled egg, easy to prepare and gentle on digestion before sleep. If you have cholesterol concerns, it's worth discussing moderation with your doctor, though for most people, this remains a well-tolerated, nutrient-dense choice. But the next food surprises many eye doctors. Food number 2 is one people almost always overlook: kiwi. It's genuinely underrated when it comes to eye health, packed with vitamin C, vitamin E, and a strong lineup of antioxidants that punch well above their weight. These nutrients support the tiny, delicate blood vessels inside your eyes, helping them stay healthy and functional as you age. They also help combat oxidative stress, the kind of cellular damage that accumulates over decades and contributes to age-related eye conditions. Kiwi may also support collagen production, which plays a role in maintaining the eye's structural tissue. Here's the surprising part. Though research has actually linked kiwi consumption before bed to improved sleep quality and duration, and since your body does so much of its repair work while you sleep, better sleep may indirectly support the overnight healing your eyes depend on. A good bedtime serving is simply 1 whole kiwi, sliced or eaten straight from the skin. Which of these 2 surprised you more? Drop a comment with your age and country, and hit subscribe for daily senior health videos. Now, on to food number 3. Food number 3 is walnuts, and their real strength comes from omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats support your tear duct's natural function, helping maintain proper tear production, which matters enormously if you're dealing with dry eyes, as so many seniors are, especially those who spend time reading or watching screens. Omega-3 seconds also carry genuine anti-inflammatory properties, calming the low-grade inflammation that can quietly contribute to eye discomfort and long-term damage over time. Walnuts also bring vitamin E, copper, and magnesium to the table, each playing a supporting role in protecting eye tissue from oxidative stress. A proper bedtime serving is small. Around a small handful, roughly 6 to 8 walnut halves, is plenty. Because they're calorie-dense, overeating them can work against your other health goals, so moderation genuinely matters here. But the next bedtime food may already be sitting in your refrigerator right now. Food number 4 is Greek yogurt, and this one might already be sitting in your fridge right now. It's rich in protein, vitamin B12, calcium, and riboflavin, a lineup that supports far more than just bone health. Protein plays a quiet but essential role in tissue maintenance and repair, including the delicate tissues throughout your eyes. B vitamins, particularly B12, support healthy nerve function. And that matters because the optic nerve relies on proper nerve health to transmit visual signals to your brain correctly. There's also a gut health connection worth mentioning. A healthy gut microbiome improves how well your body absorbs nutrients overall, meaning everything else on this list works better when your gut is functioning properly. Just be sure to choose plain, unsweetened yogurt rather than sugary flavored versions, which can work against your goals. If you want natural flavor, try adding a sprinkle of cinnamon instead of sugar or honey. Food number 5 is the classic carrots, but let's clear up a myth first. Carrots don't have magical vision-restoring powers, and eating a truckload of them won't reverse blindness or existing eye damage, no matter what your grandmother told you. What they actually do is help maintain normal, healthy vision, which is genuinely valuable but different from what the myth promises. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, a nutrient essential for night vision and maintaining a healthy cornea, the clear outer layer of your eye. Without enough vitamin A, night vision specifically tends to suffer first, making it harder to see well after dark. Here's a practical tip most people miss. Beta-carotene is fat-soluble, meaning it absorbs far better when paired with a healthy fat, like a drizzle of olive oil or a few nuts alongside them. A moderate bedtime portion is about half a cup, raw or lightly steamed, whichever you prefer. Already a fan of carrots or yogurt? Let me know in the comments and share this with a family member over 60 who could use it. Now, food number 6. Food number 6 is pumpkin seeds, and their secret weapon is zinc. Zinc plays a surprisingly critical role in eye health because it helps transport vitamin A from your liver to your retina, where it's actually needed to support night vision and overall retinal function properly. Without enough zinc, even a diet rich in vitamin A can fall short of reaching where it matters most in your eyes. Pumpkin seeds also bring vitamin E, magnesium, and healthy fats to the table, all working together to protect eye tissue from oxidative damage that accumulates over the years. Night after night, portion control matters here too. A small handful, roughly 1 to 2 tablespoons, is all you need before bed, and whenever possible, choose roasted, unsalted seeds over heavily salted versions, since excess sodium can work against your blood pressure and overall health goals. Up next, the most anticipated food on this entire list. Alright, this is the one eye doctors talk about most, and for good reason. Salmon takes the top spot on this list, and it's not particularly close. It's loaded with DHA, EPA, vitamin D, and high-quality protein, but DHA specifically deserves the spotlight here. DHA is actually a structural building block of your retina, which means keeping your intake steady genuinely matters for long-term eye health and clarity of vision as the years go by. Salmon supports dry eye relief by improving tear film quality, promotes healthy retinal function, and contributes to overall eye health in ways few other foods can match. If a full serving feels too heavy right before bed, try eating it earlier in the evening instead, giving your body time to digest comfortably before you sleep. Can't get salmon regularly? Sardines and trout offer very similar benefits and work just as well as an alternative. But food alone isn't enough. Alongside what you eat, a few nighttime habits genuinely support your eyes too. First, stop scrolling on bright screens. 30 to 60 minutes before bed, that blue light exposure right before sleep strains your eyes and disrupts your natural sleep cycle more than most people realize. Second, stay hydrated throughout the day, not just at night, since dehydration directly affects tear production and overall eye comfort. Third, if you're diabetic, keeping your blood sugar under control is one of the single most protective things you can do for your eyes long-term, since high sugar quietly damages tiny blood vessels. Fourth, aim for a full 7 to 8 hours of sleep, since that's when your eyes get the real chance to rest and repair. And fifth, don't skip regular comprehensive eye exams. Many serious conditions show zero symptoms until real damage is already done. Now, let's flip it here. Are 5 mistakes quietly working against your eye health every single night? Mistake 1. Sugary desserts before bed spike blood sugar, right when your body should be focused on repair, not damage control. Mistake 2. Smoking, which restricts blood flow to your eyes and significantly raises your risk of cataracts and macular degeneration over time. Mistake 3. Sleeping with your contact lenses still in this dramatically increases infection risk by trapping bacteria against your cornea overnight, sometimes leading to serious complications. Mistake 4. Ignoring dry eye symptoms because they seem minor or easy to shrug off. Left untreated, chronic dryness can actually damage your cornea over time. And mistake 5, maybe the most common of all. Assuming blurry vision is simply just old age instead of getting it properly checked. So who exactly should be talking to a doctor about this? Before we wrap up, a genuinely important warning. Some symptoms should never wait for a home remedy or a let's see if it improves approach. Sudden vision loss, flashes of light, a sudden wave of new floaters, sharp eye pain, severe redness, double vision, or any sudden blindness, even if temporary, are all medical emergencies that demand immediate attention. These can signal a retinal detachment, an acute glaucoma attack, or even a stroke affecting your vision. None of these situations call for waiting it out or trying supplements first. If you experience any of these symptoms, please seek urgent medical evaluation right away. This is exactly the kind of situation where minutes genuinely matter for saving your eyesight. Drop a comment with your age and which of these foods you're planning to try first. I'd genuinely love to know. And please share this with a friend or family member over 60 who wants to protect their vision for years to come. Thank you.